breathtaking railway journeys is unveiled, transported to stunning landscapes as iconic routes are explored, offering a unique perspective on continental port queues and cramped cutting through the Swiss Alps, past shimmering Norwegian fjords, or alongside sun-drenched Italian coastlines, all from the comfort unveils Europe's most breathtaking railway routes, offering a front row seat to landscapes you thought only existed in Introduction, the allure of the rails. Hook, imagine mountains, lakes, and quaint villages, all from the comfort of a train. We're embarking on a virtual journey to uncover the continent's most breathtaking games and iconic alpine adventures to coastal cruises. Prepare to be transported to unparalleled and panoramic peaks. Titles, show more. Europe Train Rides 2025. Europe's best railway routes for 2025. Ride the rails, discover Europe's breathtaking train adventures to guide to Europe's most beautiful train trips to Forget airport queues and cramped cars. Imagine gliding through the Swiss Alps, past shimmering Norwegian fjord-drenched Italian coastlines, all from the comfort of a train. Cut to host smiling in train wind. Welcome to Europe's top 5 most scenic train rides for 2020. And today we're embarking on a virtual journey to uncover the continent's most breathtaking railway routes. From alpine adventures to coastal cruises, get ready for you book your ticket today. Our masterpiece from zero to 191 bridges and 91 tunnels, offering 306. Don't miss the Landwasser Viaduct, Europe's most iconic. Book panoramic carriage for unobstructed views. Number for Flåm Railway, Norway. 230 to 4 roll, steep cliffs, water. VO, number 4, Flåm Railway, the world's steepest passenger railway. This is 63 meters through 20 tunnels. Watch waterfalls crash just feet away. Host, perfect day trip from Glacier to Terre, climb to 2,250, then spiral down through Italian vineyards.